Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 wreaths I made for the back of my bar stools in my kitchen. They are all using Dollar Tree and Walmart items, so they were super inexpensive. I believe I made all of them. I think the total cost was $15 for the 3 wreaths. If you guys enjoy home decor on a budget videos, then you're going to want to make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I am super excited to get into this video and show you how I made these wreaths.
So for this project, I picked up 3 of these wood wreaths from the dollar store. Originally I was going to paint them, but I ended up really liking the color. It's kind of like the color of straw. I also picked up from Walmart 2 of these fall bouquets. They're very full. I had plenty left over. And I'm also going to use these decor pumpkins from the Dollar Tree and this ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well. And you're going to need a hot glue gun. So for this video, I'm just going to show you one of the wreaths, but I repeated the process for all 3. And I just looked through, there was several different flower options, and I just kind of picked out which flowers I thought would work well. I wanted them to be symmetrical, so I wanted all 3 to look similar. And I just went through and picked off the pieces that I was going to use. And these are the ones I'm going to use: the sunflowers and some of these flowers for the side, some of the leaves, the feathers, and the berries. Now I am taking part in the Ultimate Fall Wreath playlist that Kristen from Kristen K and Natalie from Design to the Nines is hosting. I will have a link down in the description box to the full playlist, so if you're looking for some fall wreath inspiration, you are definitely going to want to check out this playlist. And whenever I begin to make a wreath, I always just play with the pieces to see where I want them laid out before I glue anything down. And like I said, I wanted this wreath to be symmetrical, so whatever I do on one side, I want to repeat the process on the other side. Now I used this burlap ribbon to make a hanger for the wreath, and I'm also going to use hot glue to basically put the seam together to make it one piece as if I was sewing them together, but I'm just using hot glue instead. And here is the final result. Let me know down in the comments below, do you guys make your own wreaths or do you buy them? If you're looking for some more fall inspiration, I have 2 videos here for you to watch after this one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching.